Hi everyone. These I've been waiting on for a few months, and they were purchased from my mum. So Fluevogs, 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 Fluevogs. Oh, I got something in here to have a look at in a moment. Oh, yep, the new post. Sticker! Fluevog sticker. Oh, and a button. Ooh. Walk with love. Walk with love. Walk with love. Thank you. Foregone and prosper. Tee-hee. And then there's some tips and special care, because obviously they're like a vinyl leather but with a vinyl covering or something. I think oh ooh. Even that's really nice. Obviously the boots need to be helped on a bit. Okay, here we go. We have the bag that we get. Oh, look at that purple. Oh. And so there's both toes are this way. I'm speechless. Wow. Wow. So neoprene at the back, like a cotton, stretchy cotton. Got the strap. And you got the Star Trek emblem on it. I don't know if you can see. Hee 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 hee. Now I'm going to try them on. So, thank you, Fluevog. Thank you, Pam.